Thank you, sir. I present the user involvement in requirements engineering of service-based systems. So it's about cloud computing, particularly the systems based on service. I can define cloud computing as an emerging paradigm in which information technology resources are provided to customers service. The lack of human-centered approaches and ignoring the real users in services-oriented software design makes user involvement more challenging due to several factors. The first factor is that the software being developed from the third-party service. The second factor is the diversity of stakeholders in cloud computing compared to traditional systems, and especially those having intermediary relationship, example, provider of provider. The third factor is that developers do not and cannot know what customers and users really want. The fourth factor is that users do not know what could be effectively expected from such a system to have or to use. So we proposed a layered process that have two ways of direction. The ascending way that presents the involvement of different categories of services users, and the down one. The down way is a rational consideration of users' suggestions and or wishes to adapt existing services or adding new ones. In the first way, that is the top-down ways, it concerned with the users' requirements. We have the first layer, that is the layer of end users. In this layer presents any software end user, any software to use. The second layer is the layer of developers. In this layer, developers are application builders and or services clients, and do not use service-oriented architecture model during development. They find their required services for constructing their applications via service brokers. The third layer in that direction is the layer of SOA users. In this layer, providers attempt to providing services which are representable to several supplicants or usable for supplying common requirements among different business processes. The second way or direction is the bottom-up ways. In this direction, we have the users' involvement. There are several means to make users interacting and communicating with the service owner. For example, user stores are very important to make communication and interaction with user easy. So user stories are documented description of a software feature see from the end user perspective. In this way, the requirements are very different from their nature. There is another way to interacting. It's the concept of blueprints. SOA designers, vendors and users can reference a wealth of abstract guidelines, description of functional layers, and sets of specific standards or software that fulfill SOA requirements. The top-down way concerns the user's involvement. The top-down way represents the consideration of users' requirements in both SOA developers layer and end-user layers. As a conclusion, the SOA is an emerging architectural style for large business software applications. The degree of which a software system achieves its goal is the primary criterion for its success. As a result, one of the most important actions in the creation of software systems should be determining its objective. Inadequate, incomplete, unclear, or inconsistent requirements have long been recognized as having a major influence on software quality. User participation in software development has been the subject of much research, and it is intuitively and axiomatically acknowledged to have a beneficial influence in user satisfaction, resulting in system success. Actually, very few of approaches exist dealing with users' involvement in requirements engineering of services, systems, and investigation in this area is very promising. We proposed in the paper a bidirectional process describing how end user and customer services can be involved in service-based systems. As perspective, firstly, we must working on rigorous approaches by giving more detail of layers. Second, describing the cloud provider layer and how can it...
Doctor, you have 2 minutes to conclude, please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your...